Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Cash Guru, back at it again with another Make Money Online banger. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use a free link shortening tool to earn free cryptocurrency just by shortening a link. Alright, so you know what Bitly is and link shorteners. Why not earn money while shortening a link? Alright, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's free. So what I did is I clicked on this link, and I have a Mac, so I downloaded it from Mac. I'm sure it runs for PC as well. And once you download this, you're gonna want to get your account established. Open this up, and you're gonna want to go to cb.click. All right. Ooh, that's not it. And I went over here. I downloaded the browser. I got my account established. And once you open up the browser, you're gonna go to cb.click. Alright, so from here, you're going to find a link. It doesn't matter what link it is. Alright, there is some restrictions. I know that you can't use this on Facebook, but for YouTube, blogs, websites, all this works. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and find a link. Let's use my channel, for example. So I'm going to go over here, paste in the URL of my channel link, shorten. And boom, all I got to do is copy this, and this link right here, whoever clicks this link, I will earn free Bitcoin right to this browser account. All right, so once you have the Bitcoin in your browser's account right here, so look, I got a little bit of Bitcoin right here, right? Ethereum or XLM, XRP, whatever cryptocurrency you like, you can convert your Bitcoin, whether it's from this wallet to your Coinbase wallet, whatever exchange that you're on, you can convert that, and then you can convert it to whatever currency you want. You can even convert it to the US dollar. Like, this is so powerful, guys. So use this link shortening tool for everything. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to stack up some BTC. Why not? Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. I know it's a pretty short and simple video, so make sure to like,